Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson. Sun's going down, the breeze is picking up, the clouds are mesmerizing me. Uh, Welcome to today's Tàijíquán Tip. Thank you for your support. Thank you for taking a few minutes and thinking about somebody you think could use this particular lesson, composing an email, sending them the link, saying, hey, this is right up your alley. Check it out. If you're finding value in these free offerings, Tai Chi Tip, uh, the tips really help. Uh, Hopefully, I expect I've made it easy for people to send in tips, whether it's Bitcoin or Venmo or PayPal or whatever. I have a tip thing on my store page. You can find that through, I think, somedayfarm.org, our webpage. But at any rate, online reviews, shares, comments, likes, subscriptions, all that help. You can go to Patreon and subscribe for a couple of bucks a month, 4, 6, 5, 9 bucks a month, right? Patreon.com/somedayfarm. Anyway, today's Tàijíquán Tip is very, very simple. It's to dedicate your practice, this particular practice. Maybe it's the form, maybe it's the whole practice time, your warm-ups and your paidagong and your tuinan, your cool down and your form and your double spear form or whatever. But to dedicate the practice session, this particular practice session, maybe this iteration of the form, dedicate it to someone, to a person, maybe living or dead, maybe known to you or not known to you. And see how that changes the whole of your practice, knowing that this has been dedicated to somebody. None of my business who, but if you'd like to comment, share who you'd like to dedicate your practice to, I'd be really interested to see. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I dedicate this video to you, the student, the forever student. Thank you.